kay our candidates, tawagan ako ang tubangan, ako step forward. This is not in particular order kung isa ang nalawag sa inyo. Alright? So, kibataan na. Alright? To begin with, ako step forward. Let's please step forward. Candidate number 2, you are all ready. Second one, please step forward. Candidate number 5. Again, I am calling these participants. In not particular order silang kung sa ilang award. And now, next! Please, step forward, candidate number 6! Alright, to complete our club. Alright, to complete the top awards, please step forward, candidate number. What's your red? Isa?
Number 4 na partner.
Alright, you are part of the topless candidate number 3. Alright, let's give a round of applause. Your pero mga ang inyong ligada karoon this is not department in order to kung sa award nyo. But at this very part of the time, ako nang i-announce kung unsa ang inyong award or unsa yung o kung kinsa ang next Mr. Matchgate 2024. Alright, let's begin with the third runner-up. Kinsa ang gusto nila? Kinsa ang gusto for our third runner-up? Alright, for our third runner-up goes to candidate number 6. Our third runner-up is candidate number 6. It's asked by our Alright, moving on to our second runner-up. Inside of the sub, ang tao. Alright, for our second runner-up.
Goes to Pizza Mahan. Okay. Second runner-up is the Yoston candidate number 2.
This is asked by our sports ball. Sir Mike.